In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Shopify subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your admin and how to confirm the cancellation with confidence without missing any important details. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. Use the store owner account or an account with the right permissions so you can access billing and plan settings. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code ready. It's a good idea to make sure you've saved anything you might need later, like product lists or theme files, before moving forward. Once you're on the main admin dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This opens the control center for your store. From here, find and select Plan. In some layouts it may appear as Plan or Billing, but you're looking for the section that shows your current subscription details. On the plan page, scroll to the bottom and locate the Cancel Plan option. It can be easy to miss if you have a long page, so make sure you reach the very end. Click Cancel Plan. Shopify will display information about what cancelling means for your store, including how access changes and what happens to billing. Take a moment to read everything on this screen so there are no surprises. For example, your store will be deactivated after cancellation, and you'll typically retain access until the end of your current billing period unless you're on a trial. To proceed, toggle on the statement that says you've reviewed the information above. This is Shopify's way of confirming you understand the implications. After toggling it on, click Continue. Next, Shopify will ask for a reason for cancelling. Choose the option that most closely reflects your situation. This feedback helps improve the product, but it won't affect your ability to cancel. If there's a text box, you can add brief context if you want. When you're ready, click Continue again. You'll now see a final confirmation screen. Click Cancel once again to complete the process. After this, watch for a confirmation message in your admin and a confirmation email. Billing typically stops at the end of your current cycle. Any outstanding or app-related charges may still apply based on their own terms. If you use third-party apps with external billing, consider reviewing those separately. Your domain settings remain yours, and you can reactivate your store later by logging back in and selecting a new plan. That's all there is to deactivating your Shopify subscription cleanly and confidently.